Suzuki Motorhome 2025 probably refers to a conversion carried out by a third-party body business or independent modification utilizing an existing Suzuki vehicle as its foundation. Given Suzuki does not formally manufacture entire motorhomes under their name, preserving the classic boxy van design in order to optimize the amount of room within. Increasing headroom by installing a high fiberglass or aluminum roof. Putting in bigger side windows to let in more light and air. Preserving or altering the typical sliding door to provide access. For access to the back area, rear doors that fold up or to the side are kept. Installation of a retractable awning to provide outdoor shade. Installing a roof rack to accommodate more cargo. Replacement or installation of a bumper with extra lights or a more daring style. Applying body art or stickers for a more customized appearance. Reducing the weight by using lighter materials. Modular external elements that may be added or deleted as needed may be available in certain conversions. Adding solar panels to the roof in order to recharge more batteries. Typically, convertible interiors with features like foldable or pull-out mattresses are made to make the most of limited space. Frequently making use of platforms that double as beds or fold-out seats. Tiny sinks with water tanks and tiny built-in or portable burners in tiny kitchens. Adaptable storage options such tiny drawers, shelves, and cabinets with a tiny style. Compact tables that are able to be put together or folded up as needed. Rotatable front chairs provide more room for unwinding. LED lights that use less energy for indoor illumination. Emphasis on movable furniture and arrangements for eating, sleeping, lounging, and storing. Lightweight materials are used to reduce the vehicle's weight and make it sturdy for outdoor use. Electrical system that may include solar panels, an inverter, and an extra battery. Contemporary technologies for communication and entertainment. Simple, uncluttered interior design that emphasizes functionality. Suzuki Carry, as a popular light commercial van in many countries, is often used as a basis for conversion into a small camper van or micro camper. Possible engines used 1.5L petrol engine K15B with power around 97 PS and torque around 135 Nm, 5-speed manual transmission, rear-wheel drive RWD. The Suzuki APV may be converted into a camper van bigger than the Carry, despite being more well-known as a family minibus. A 1.5L petrol engine G15A with 105 PS and 126 Nm of torque might be the power plant. Transmission choices include a 4-speed automatic or a 5-speed manual. RWD stands for rear-wheel drive.